In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter teacher, educator expenses for classroom supplies on your tax return. If you're a teacher who bought classroom supplies with your own money, there's a straightforward way to capture that deduction in your tax software. Starting from your tax return dashboard, first click Federal. This brings you into the section that controls your federal return and any adjustments that can lower your taxable income. Next, click Deductions and Credits. This is where your tax breaks live. Scroll down to the area labeled Your Tax Breaks. Take your time here. There are many categories, and you're looking specifically for Teacher, Educator, Expenses. Once you see it, click. Start to open that entry. You'll be asked to confirm your educator status. In most cases, that means you were a K-12 teacher, instructor, counselor, principal, or aide at a public or private school during the year. If that describes you, and you paid out of pocket for classroom items that weren't reimbursed, go ahead and confirm you qualify. Remember, the key point is that these were your own expenses, and you did not get paid back for them by your school, district, or a grant. On the next screen, enter the amount you spent. Include everyday classroom supplies like notebooks, paper, art materials, and teaching aids, as well as certain books and equipment you used in the classroom. Do not include anything that was reimbursed. If you were partially reimbursed, enter only the portion you actually paid yourself. For example, if you spent $150 on supplies, type $150 in the amount field. If you share a classroom budget with someone else, enter only your personal out-of-pocket share. When you're ready, click Continue. The software will save your entry and automatically apply the educator expense deduction to your return. If your total is higher than the allowable limit for the year, don't worry. The program will cap it for you and carry the correct amount to your tax forms. You should see your refund or balance due adjust accordingly. A quick tip: keep your receipts, order confirmations, or bank statements that show what you bought and when. You don't need to upload them here, but having good records is important in case you ever need to verify the deduction. Also, make sure your entries reflect items used for your classroom and your students, not personal use. That's all there is to it. Click Continue, and you're done with educator expenses. Capturing these costs helps recognize the real money you put into your classroom and can meaningfully reduce your taxable income. Thanks for watching, and great job taking this step to make your return accurate and complete.